working as a digital marketer in General Technologies Private Limited. In this video, I am going to share the lessons that you are going to learn while doing this Google Ads Apps certification exam. By using this Google Ads Apps certification exam, you will learn how to enhance your app quality and make your app discoverable to each and every customer that who visits your website frequently. uh, the following lessons that you are going to learn in this apps certification exam are growing your business with app campaigns, set app campaigns up for success, elevate your app campaign, drive growth beyond app campaigns. These are the four topics that you are going to learn during this certification course. Let's dive into this topic. Growing your business with app campaigns. Advance your understanding of the apps of the apps ecosystem and learn how to take advertising performance to the next level with Google App Campaigns. Understand the app's ecosystem. Customers expect to connect with their favorite brands and services anytime, anywhere. With apps, brands are able to build, main a direct one-to-one relationship with their customer. That means for example, whenever we are installing an app from a Play Store, each and every app have their own brand value. For example, if we install an Amazon app will have their own brand identity for marketing or marketing electronics, clothing, and some electronic goods, clothing, footwear, etc., and etc. Like that, we need to understand the app's ecosystem. Explore Google App Campaigns. In a world where users have limited attention, effectively marketing an app depends on using data and systems to deliver the right message to the right user at the right time. For that reason, machine learning is at the core of Google App Campaigns, and marketing an app has never been easier. Set app campaigns up for success. Learn what it takes to set up and run an app campaigns with Google. Drive your app campaign Google. Before jumping into the Google Ads interface, you should define a goal for your efforts on the campaign. That means whenever you are creating an app, Google app interface to promote your app to the customers so that you are already have or recently visited your website, you need to define the goal. You need to define goals for your campaign, reaching the customers with more relevant and accurate information so that they can able to know for what purpose the app has been created, and whether it defines its understandings or not. Measure what matters in app campaigns. Gathering data about the events that happen in your app and the impact of your advertisement will guide your marketing efforts. Means whenever your app campaign ad has been clicked by an audience, you will get a data about from which device the click has been initiated, and for at what time and from which location the click has been initiated, like that type of data you will get from the insights. By using this data, you will measure what made your what made your customer to install your app, or what made your customer to uninstall or skipping to install the app. By measuring this type, by taking these metrics into accounts, you can improve the you can enhance your app modifications and reach your customers with more effectively. Begin with app campaign settings. After defining your campaign goals, implementing conversion tracking, the next step is to Google Ads and create an app campaign. Using goals you have already defined will help determine the focus and the target user settings of your campaign. Those selections will in turn determine your campaign bidding strategy. After defining your campaign goals to reach more number of customers with accurate and relevant information about your products and services and for what purpose the app has been created, this type of information, if you given this type of information to your customers, they will feel satisfied with your success. Then they will yeah, then they will click on your app campaign, and get registered with your business website. Finish with app campaign, ad groups and assets. After selecting your campaign settings, the next step is to create themed ad groups that sit within each campaign. Ad groups are the biggest foundation update in ad campaigns since its launch. When we start ad campaigns, there are so many ad formats are there to promote our product to the customers. So we need to focus on what type of ad formats our customers are interested in. For example, if our customers are interested in display advertisement, we will put more efforts on creating a display app advertisement that will reach your customers more effectively. If the customers are willing to see the video advertisement, we will describe our app in a short 15 seconds video or a 6 seconds bumper video. With that video we will provide app installation link. After getting the valid and relevant information from your side to your customer, the customer will get satisfied with with your information. Automatically the customer will click on the installation link, and finishes off his installation and become your valuable customer. Elevate your app campaign. Go beyond campaign setup and learn advanced strategies for campaign creative and measurement excellence. The role of the marketer in app campaigns. Despite of the benefits, machine learning, the role of the marketer is crucial to the success of an app. In our previous video modules, we have discussed about automated bidding. In that automated bidding, the bidding strategy will be implemented by the Google machine learning tools itself. While in creating such type of app campaigns, there is a need of a marketer, because humans will think innovatively and creatively, while the machines excel at performing specific tasks efficiently. That means, if we think in a logical manner, the machine will not be programmed to think logically, but it is invented to do some specific task assigned by its owner. If the owner is an marketeer, or is a marketeer, he can give his innovative thoughts and creative thoughts, and some strategy implement some strategies while creating such app campaigns to the machine learning of the Google. Then automatically the Google will create app campaigns based on the inputs given by the marketer itself. So the role of the marketer is more prominent than the Google machine learning tools in this apps campaign. Guide the machine for a better app campaign. Help machine learning improve your app campaign by setting clear and thoughtful boundaries and give it enough data to work towards your campaigning goal. For example, let us take an example that you have started your sports shop in Bangalore. you want to reach more number of customers, your website has efficient number of audiences, so you are willing to create an app to get discovered by more number of customers. So what you need to do is to hire a manager, hire a marketer, and give him the inputs that you are keeps in your that you keep your that you keep in your mind, to set an app campaign. When the inputs are taken from you by the marketer, the inputs are implemented in a strategic way and creatively by this marketer. The marketer gives the inputs and the strategies to the machine learning tool of the Google Ads Manager. Then the Ads Manager will create an app campaign for you instead of doing you, the marketer will do the same. So we need to guide the machine for better app campaign. Create and refine your app campaign. Machine learning can help your app campaign reach users efficiently with relevant ads. But in order to do that, it needs a collection of diverse and high quality assets. Here, assets are the assets means image, relevant images, description, headlines, URLs, like that the information that is related to your business, that has to be given to the machine learning tool, so that it can create a more effective app campaign for you. Understand your app campaign results. When it comes to running the app campaigns, machine learning might be able to do the most of heavy lifting, but it takes a human perspective to understand how your campaign is performing. When your campaign is coming to an end, it needs to be tracked for the performance. So the machine learning tool thinks in the way of a human thinking. It will analyze the results that have been generated from these app campaigns, and give you the most benefitable output. Drive growth beyond app campaigns. Learn how app discoverability and quality can amplify the impact of app marketing. Optimize the app experience. We are in our daily life, we are seeing there are a lot of app updates are being giving, because to improve the performance of the app and give a more live experience to their customers. The app the app creators the app creators updates their apps most frequently. Expand app reach across markets. Every month, more than 2 billion users from over 190 countries visit the Google Play Store to browse and discover new apps, according to Android Developers Blog. Whenever we want something from Google Store, we'll go to the Google Store and find what we want and install the thing. After that, our work is completed, that app been uninstalled. Like that, 2 billion users over 190 countries are visiting Google Play Store to install the apps. Like that, your app can be discoverable by these people. After completing of these four lessons, you will get a app certification examination. After completion of the examination, you will get the certificate like this. Thanks for watching this video.